to book a flight on Agoda. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to book a flight for yourself in your Agoda account. So first of all, just simply go to your preferred browser, and after that on the search bar just simply search for Agoda, and you will be landed to the official website of Agoda. And after that, in order to book a flight, you need to navigate to the home screen of the Agoda account, and after that just simply hover your cursor over the flight section right there and simply click on it. And after that, in order to book a flight, you need to first choose whether you want to book a one-way flight or a round trip. Basically, in the round trip, you book both arriving and the departure flights. So if you want to book a one-way flight, just choose that. And after that, you need to select the location from which you are flying, for example, flying from. And after that, just select your preferred city or location. And after that, the destination that you are going to. And after that, just select the departure location. And after that, just select how many people are traveling. So for example, 1 adult or 2, just select accordingly. And after that, just simply select the flight type like economy, premium, business or first. For example, you're booking business class or first class, just simply select that. And after that, just simply click on search flight. And after that, in the search result, you will be able to see the bunch of flight options that are available with the Agoda app for the destination that you are looking for. And after that, just simply select the one of the flight that you are liking the most. And after that, just simply click on it and just see all the details that you have filled before. And after that, just simply click on select in order to book the flight completely. And after that, on this page, you need to enter your contact details, your passenger details and other details. And once you're done filling in all these details, just simply confirm your booking while making the payment for this particular flight right here. And this way you will be able to book your flight. So this is basically how you will be able to book a flight on Agoda. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.